But there's a feeling that these two institutions got too big too quickly, and that there wasn't enough oversight to allow them to be able to fail. In other words, they grew so big so quickly that after a point, they were in fact too big to fail. And when you're too big to fail, all sorts of abuses and improper risk management practices can go on, which we will talk about in probably 8 or 9 lectures. Okay? So there's a variety of proposals that have been put forward. And we'll talk about those also over the next 6 or 7 weeks.
Who did the government actually bought the shares from? Are they federal agencies, or is it private companies?
So Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac are called GSEs, government-sponsored entities, which means that they're not a federal agency, but they are backed by the federal government in some manner that has been up until now relatively vague. So they're meant to be private companies. They had a CEO, both of them had CEOs who were fired over the weekend. They have separate boards of directors, and they pay pretty attractive salaries, private sector salaries. But they were related to the government in the sense that their objectives were to try to support and expand the housing market financing, which was a government-dictated mandate to this